Welcome to 7boats Academy. Today we will discuss about the keyword density. Now the keyword density means how many times you have repeated the focus keyword in your content. For example, if we take a web page and it is having say 100 word, then if we say the keyword density is 2%, that means in that 100 words of content you have used your focus keyword for 2 times. Now there are certain rules for keyword density that we would learn. For example, if it's a single word, then the keyword density must be less than 7%. That means out of 100 word content, it should be repeated 7 times. And if it is a 500 word content, then it should not be repeated more than 35 times. Similarly, double word, it should be less than 4%, and long tail words, that means 3 or more than 3 words, that should be 1 to 2%. For example, if we say in a page, if we use this long tail word, say digital marketing company in Kolkata. Now in this long tail keyword, we have single word like digital, like marketing, like company, like Kolkata. So this single word should be less than 7%, density should be less than 7%. If we see the double word like digital marketing, then marketing company, digital company, then company Kolkata, like this double word, it should not be greater than 4%. And if we take the long tail words, the full word like digital marketing company in Kolkata, in my 100 word content, it should be in between 1 to 2%. Your content must be unique, your content must be completely well researched, and you should use this focus keyword and long tail keywords in very natural, well blended way, so that it should not look bad and it should not be look like you have forcefully used these words into your content. Let us take an example right now. So if we go to google.com and if we search with sales page writing service, now we see the 7boats page, sales page writing page is at number 1. Now if we click on this page, if you open this page, now this is the page URL that we can see at the top of this browser. So this is my URL. Now how to check the density of this page? So this is the page, sales page writing service. We have used this into our content. Now what is the focus keyword? The focus keyword is the main keyword for this particular page. Focus keyword, mostly it is a single word or a double word that is just primarily focusing the content of that page. It is not exactly the long tail word, but yes, you can use long tail keyword as a focus keyword as well. So there is no hard and fast rule. So here we can take the focus keyword as sales page and our long tail keyword is sales page writing service. Now as per the rule, in this page, sales page, the focus keyword, the sales page writing services, the long tail keyword should be 1 to 2% in this content, and the single word like sales or page or writing or services, it should not be greater than 7%, and the double word like sales page, page writing, sales services, this should not be greater than 4%. So how to check this thing? We can do it by going to SEOcentro.com. This is the tool, SEOcentro.com. You can see here. Now we go to the keyword density checker here, and we would put this page URL there. So we copy this and then we put it over here, and then we write this capture number here, then we click on submit. Now you can see the density and the sequence. So you see here keyword density, this is the one word or single word keyword. So you see the services, then marketing, then sales, then digital, then page, then writing. So all these words, sales, page, writing, services. So as per the sequence, you can see the most important words are at the top. So this is very important. And you see the single word like sales, like page, like writing, these are all below 7%. So this is perfectly fine. Now we move to the double word keywords. So we go below. Now we see the double word here. So this is the double word. You see the sales page, then page writing, you see this. So sales page, you can see 1.41%. So that is below 4%. So that is quite good. So now you go to the three words or the long tail words. So we go to the three words. Also you notice the sequence here, like sales page writing, these are at the top of this all these words list. So that means your content density is perfectly balanced, perfectly fine. So we move to the three words right now. So you see in three words the first sequence is sales page writing and it is 0.84%. So it's between 1 to 2%. So just a bit lower than the 1%. So we can add another sales page writing into this content, into our this page. So automatically it would be in between 1 to 2%. So in that way we have to optimize this page. Now for live example, how to do this in a WordPress website. For the WordPress website, this is the WordPress website, clientsites.in/students. So we have to log into this backend panel. So we go here. So clientsites.in/students/wp-login.php. This is the backend URL of any WordPress website. So you put the username and password here. So what we can check right now, so we log into this panel and we would show you what is called keyword density and how to maintain it. So let us wait for the logging part. So we have already logged in here. So let's check with the pages. So from here you can create new page or create new blog post. This is the basic backend panel of any WordPress website's dashboard. So we can see here, we search with any of the page, like so benefits of yoga classes. We click on this page, edit. Now we can show you how to do this keyword density. For this we need a free plugin, that is the best plugin, that means additional software that can add additional feature with your WordPress website. We call it Yoast SEO plugin. So here this is your heading 1, H1. So you have used yoga classes here. So of course the topic is about yoga classes. You see the permalink URL here, also we have written the yoga classes. Now you see the heading 2 here. Heading 2, you can see H2. So we have also used yoga classes over here. Now you can see the image alt tags here. In image alt tag you can also see yoga classes. This is also written as an alt text. So the focus keyword of course is here yoga classes. So we can see here the focus keyword is written as yoga classes, and this focus keyword you have to use into your H1, your permalink, in your H2, in your image alt tag, in your page body content. So you can see the body content, we have used yoga classes. In body content you can see the yoga classes. This has been repeated here. Now you can see the total word count in 750. Out of 750 words, yoga classes, it should not be greater than 4% because it's a two-word word. But best is if you write yoga classes in Kolkata, this is your long tail, it should be in between 1 to 2%. Now Yoast SEO would give you the better score. You can see here what it is written. The keyword density is 1%, which is great. The focus keyword was found 8 times, so it is showing here as green. So that means your density is between 1 to 2%. That is pretty fine here, and it is not exceeding your 4% density. So you are safe here, you can see from this. So this is called the keyword density. I hope you are clear with it. Now what is called keyword consistency? Now keyword consistency is using the focus keyword in the most important element of your page. That means it's in H1, it should be present in your H1, it should be present in your permalink URL, it should be present in your heading subheading tags, that means H2, H3, H4, H5 or H6. it should be present in your image alt tag, it should be present in your body of the content, and of course at the beginning of the first paragraph. Also it should be repeated in the other paragraphs as well. Along with, you can make it bold or italics, and also it should be present in your title tag, SEO title tag, it should be present in your meta description, and it should be present in your meta keywords tag. So this is called keyword consistency. I hope now you are clear with what is called the keyword density and what is called keyword consistency. These two things are very important for doing on-page SEO. On-page SEO is required for every page of your website. You have to do keyword research for every page of your website, and you have to write unique, well-researched content, and you have to place this into your backend in your page. You have to build this page, and you have to do this SEO settings with Yoast SEO plugin in WordPress platform. But if you are using some other platforms like Magento, Joomla, Drupal, so you will have to do it. You could not get all these things there like these plugins. And also, if it is in static HTML, you have to do it by your own experience. So this tool will help you to get idea how to do on-page SEO and how to keep your keyword consistency and keyword density in a well blended manner from here. So thank you.